Cheese.
E.
Cheese.
No, you're fine.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, chocolate's not here. Walter, come on.
Water chocolate.
Yeah. Sure.
What happens if you put dried chocolate
What's so funny?
in your pancakes?
There's chocolate pancakes.
Where are you?
You put chocolate in your Doritos.
Doritos?
Where are you?
I don't know.
Chocolate burritos?
No, Doritos.
Oh. Ugh.
Yeah.
Well, that's even worse.
What about
Yeah, maybe showers.
pears
Nothing.
Where are you?
and
Nothing.
Say hello.
Oh, this is awesome. This is what happens if you put pears in water?
Pear water?
No, pear juice.
Pear juice. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's correct.
And flavored water.
Hey. Hey.
What happens if you put
Whoa. Close up.
these in water?
Hey. Where's Animal?
This is getting close to knack jokes.
Here. What's this? Oh, yeah. Please spare us. Here. What's this? Who's this guy? Who is that guy?
It's Animal.
Is that Animal? Where's Baka? There's an animal.
Blah, 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 blah. Who?
Where are you going?
They're gargling.
Monkey, the monkey.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tall teacup.
Are you finished? Teacup.